accelerated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without special marine warning for the following marine location, Puget Sound and Hood Canal. The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a special marine warning for Puget Sound and Hood Canal until 12:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 12:01 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 10 nautical miles southwest of Woodway, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Woodway and Kingston. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following marine location, Puget Sound and Hood Canal.